Lakasheki, guys. Guys, when else can I eat? It's not very. In Norway, on the shore camping. It's still bad here, but we're going to get into the water now anyway.
If you take her, in no case will he get in with her. If he sees it, he will come close for it.
That's how it is, spearfishing in Norway. What are the boys? We look, something was filmed for yesterday. Very cool stuff turned out. We are going from Gennady Kovalenko, who we visited, who surprised everyone with an awesome reception, his experience. And we have a cat.
Now we are going to my proven bridge, where, in principle, every time I came, there was a meeting and taking halibut, right? You're a good Kasaida. Well, let's try to see the shooting.
Here it is, the same Simizi bridge. Look, the current is just crazy. There should be salmon here. Listen, well, Mish, it seems to me that something is rubbing near the supports anyway, right? Climbed on. I'm reporting the situation. We decided to launch one scout, so that he could see both by sight and by fish. Well, Vidal also seems to be eager to fight. You're going to climb, aren't you? That is, together. Misha and I are sitting there, guarding the parking lot.
Yes, you give a damn.
Why don't you go into the water? The wind blows slowly.
Well, that's it.
We climb into the water. Tomorrow.
If you take her, in no case will she come out with her. He'll see for it, he'll come.
Yes.
Yeah, it's better to go somewhere and get it later carefully.
I kind of smeared you, Andriuk. Ilya is light or is the evening strong? You're pretty. Here, guys, is my mascot. I am sure that people will write under this video, what happened. Guys, watch the previous video, as a drone flew into the support of the bridge. The more likes, your pennies and the sleigh, and the more pennies the sleigh has, the further we will go. Like a sheki, guys. We arrived early, right? Yes. There is no movement. Such a local fish. There is there to pack some little thing came in. There is nothing. Where does the path lead now? North, let's go. Where is the fish used to? Let's go. Guys, we have reformed Misha. A little bit of goods. He was a major, and now he's going to the gas station. We had such a topic at the training. We had to do our homework every day. That is, your task is to do something that you have never done in your life. This should not violate the law, public order, or harm your health. Can you do something right now, that you've never done in your life?
I never beat Misha.
This should not violate public order. Vitya, your health or something. Fuck knows him. I've never even eaten magazines anywhere. That's fine, by the way. Excellent. We've arrived. We will spend the night in such a beautiful place. Guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and do you know what we're going to do now? Ah, that's it, bon appetit to everyone. Anyway, guys, we're out of food. We woke up. There were only sweets and tea left. But this is our last stop, right? The whale was eaten, yes. Mishko, tell me about it. Do you already want coziness, comfort, warmth? To be honest, yes. Female. To be honest, yes. Imagine, even now, we will probably rate 3-star hotels simply as VIP apartments of some kind. Here are sometimes trains, to go on such trips. Well, guys, let's go show you how cool it is here. We came to the very north of Norway to the base and try to catch crab and cod here.
Is this our fleet?
Yes. Oh, look, it's teeming with sideways. So, what's our plan anyway?
I'll introduce you to Alexander. Here he will be with your guide and you will be with him. As they say, he will show everything, tell you.
Wow.
2-story.
Chicardos.
And here is a sauna.
Fire. It's electric, right? Yes. Wow. Wow. View from the window. Awesome.
That is, the barbecue is our building. Well, foreigners are our guests here for now. Well, we are launching an additional building now. Well, now since the beginning of the season.
And where do they mostly come from?
Finland, Denmark, Germany, Russia are coming.
Are the crabs even big here?
Yes, they are large, 3 kilograms each.
This is Alexander. San, hi, I'm Sonia. At what depth is the crab mostly here?
Now in the area of 30 meters can be found.
30, yes. What about the fish here?
Cod.
And heights, attacked. And does a catfish happen? Yes. Then let's make one trip for a crab and go fishing. Yes. Bon appetit. Thank you. That's the north of Norway, guys. Jokes are bad here, but we're going to get into the water anyway. We have to get at least one crab. Vetra went to check Prozrak, how the situation is here in general. Guys, here's the fillet cut, the fisherman processed the fish. The top layer is normal, and the bottom is generally an ass. It is visible to pull out, then everything. I rushed again. Well, guys, the first impression is that there is no vision, it's very cold, but 1 degree is probably 0.01. It's snowing and the wind is just chilly. Of course, I do not know how we can get a crab here. Only if you go with a team of guys who are professionally engaged in this, who are engaged in crabbing for sale and try to earn extra money and get money for it to pay for these numbers. Do you know what kind of tin started? It's just snow. Let's go between to the whaling ship. It was possible to eat. Also a cabin. Bathhouse. Water is always poured, the stove is heated and people are sitting here, warming themselves. We're going to check that the wind is diving there. He sees that there are no fish and crabs. In short, the wind has just shown a crab, which means that we urgently need to get dressed and get into the water. The weather, of course. Why, you know how happy we are for the new year. Snow. Snowfall. Well, let's go to the tap. The weather is getting worse. We found a lost net with crabs. Let's try to get it now, help the fisherman. That's the forehead. Guys, this is Norway. This is a Kamchatka crab. Well, guys, this is probably our extreme spearfishing in the north of Norway. We tried, we didn't get the delicacies that we're going to eat for dinner. There is enough for survival, and we may also hand over 100 crowns per kilogram of crab. This blood receiver is next to it. Sorry for the crab.
And what to do, delicious.
Well, let's go to the royal dinner. Honestly earned. Even more than earned. There's a margin. The guys are grateful for the lost grid. Our crab is in our program. Stove, music. Beauty. Oh.
That's it, we reveal. Here's a natural product for you. Bon appetit.
The purest crab meat.
The purest meat. Yes. Attempts. Yes. Yes.
What about Vidal?
Yummy.
Tomorrow we'll stuff more crabs. Guys, this is one of the most delicious crabs I have. There are 3 liters in the car. This is also because it is environmentally friendly.
Well, actually be careful.
The meat is sweet. In general, guys, I'm telling you how to cook crab. They just take him and put the same water in which he lives. Sea water. And where is the water? It's on the floor.
That is, there is a little bit on the bottom.
Water. Oh, so you're steaming. Yes. Wow, I didn't know that.
So that's 20 minutes.
Awesome. And the lid, right?
Of course.
Yes. And that's it. That's it. Cool. Crabs. Steamed crabs, guys, so, and I just understand what it is. Not to eat. Yes, we'll eat it now. Andrew. Vidal will eat, but he put the squeeze on you in the last bathhouse and we will be with him at night. I'm a shell. You remember when you didn't press no, right? Too lazy. All night this time. A challenge. Accepted. And then you are the same, bum packages, damn, it's not clear what. Whales of some kind. Here it is, a real royal meal. Yes. Here is such a savory meat. It's hot. I'll wait until it cools down, but this is the end of our issue. Good luck to everyone and bye. A neighbor scored, they have a strike at the factory. It seemed like a big cup of tea for you.